and gentlemen, welcome back. So today I will present apple pie a la MCD. So this is the ingredient for the pastry skin. We need flour, we need egg, we need cool water, and of course we need oil for cooking. And for the filling we need butter and apple, brown sugar, water, and cinnamon. So stay tuned. Alright, for the dough we need half kilogram flour. Make sure flour has been filtered. So we have butter, egg, and glass of cool water. So all the ingredients must be stirred. First put it butter, stir a while. Second put it egg. Thirdly put it glass of cool water. Make sure add water little by little to avoid our dough squishy.
A few moments later.
Right, ta-da! So our dough is done. Of course, start the fire first. Alright, so our pot already hot. Firstly, put it butter into pot and stir until the butter melt. Secondly, put it on cinnamon. I use 3 sticks only and don't forget to stir. Thirdly, add 5 spoons brown sugar and stir until the sugar melts. Next, just add 1/3 glass of water into the pot. Then, add a pinch of salt. Most important thing, put it apple that has been cut into dice. Stir until the apple turns color and returns. Alright, so we almost done. Run the dough and spread it like this. Next, add our filling only 1 spoon and fold it into a square. On the side, bend with a fork. Maybe you can use ready dough to get a perfect square. Oyster to heat up, put it into pot until dry and brown, so ready to eat. Even we don't know the taste, the presentation is important. So good luck!